to the track. Amy brought my car in this huge trailer. Thanks, Hamilton. Really appreciate it. I gotta go through tech and get the GoPro set up, and then we'll go get some laps.
It's just the M52,
okay.
bone stock M52.
Okay, I was curious if it was swap made.
Or I'm sorry, M54. It's an E46, yeah. But yeah, it's a 325.
Right. Wasn't sure if it was stock motor or not.
Yeah, it's all stock. I was actually I tried driving it at park, and it seemed like it was really underpowered last time I drove, but we took it out here 2 weekends ago, and it fucking performed super great. So I was like, all right, we're hitting the next one.
Heck yeah.
Fucking, seems like we're good, but gotta clean it up a little bit, but that was fucking sick, dude.
Yeah,
hell
dude,
yeah.
that was tight.
Alrighty, Jonas is gonna run behind me. See how it goes. I'm gonna try and swing it wide for him. So, we'll see. With this fresh alignment, the car's so grippy that it's really hard to stay and drift. But we're trying. I have the tires at 80 PSI right now, which is insane.
Aw, sadness.
It's fucking totaled, dude.
Yeah, that's bad. Oh my god.
I don't.
I couldn't even see Jed.
We're all fucking.
Did you spin?
Yeah, I fucking spun.
I was too close.
I don't know if it was a slick spot or what, or if my tires just started fucking going, but I transitioned and just looped right around.
Fuck, dude.
I tried to hold it through.
Well, the Z's okay, I guess.
Gonna need a new door.
I'm sorry.
Dude. Yeah, she's fucking toasted, man.
Yeah, dude, the frame rails are fucking bent. What happened?
I couldn't see. I think Jed broke like a tie rod or something. And then Michael smacked Jed and I just slammed into him.
Michael, bring it in, man. Don't worry about it. Give me some.
I'm sorry, Dad.
We can leave it right here.
We can go have a burger and relax.
Like I was saying, you guys can leave it here for however long.
We might be able to drag it on the trailer, but we'll figure it out. Thank you. You guys are always so cool about that.
Sure.
I don't know. I think you can drive this home.
In the skirt. So this is a good sign right here. Like when you have little working.
These cars are soft.
There's a little something right there.
This like just does not look right. Something about it.
Hey, you know, I watched Travis's car get hit, and I mean it was simple.
You can fix it.
Sorry.
And it wasn't that hot.
Oh, you guys are
I
lucky.
have one little guy for too long. What the fuck?
Yeah. Well, I totaled the E36.
No. We totaled the
We
E36.
totaled the E36. One of the eBay angle adapter plates on Jed's car broke a couple corners before we actually crashed, but he ended up spinning. I had no time to respond, and so I hit him on my side. And then Jonas also had no time, and then it crunched the whole car. Everybody's okay. Yeah, it was nobody's fault, and like I was saying, I cried a little bit just because, you know, it's not my car, but I think we're gonna try and fix it. Yeah.
We got like most of the day in.
Yeah.
Before we wrecked. I think that was like half the problem, is we were getting so confident driving together.
Yeah.
And then it was just like, I wasn't even thinking anyone was gonna spin. I was just like,
fuck it.
We're driving.
Yeah.
Everybody's doing good.
Yeah. We'll get back out there. We'll have more fun. We'll do better.
Do better.
So I got the tried and trusted eBay angle adapters that everybody swears by, and they say the only thing that sucks is that the bolts back out. Well, if you put enough Loctite in them, the bolts never back out. The only problem is if you're driving a bumpy ass track like Spirit Peaks, you might break it. And we think that this is probably what happened. Was this broke around back sweeper, went to transition, and the car just immediately spun. Obviously, having Michael crash into me and then Jonas into Michael, it was a pancake.
Plowed into Michael.
Yeah,
no
Michael,
good.
honestly, Michael probably took all the hit for me, and I'm very lucky to have come out pretty okay. But man, I'm fucking sad. It sucks. That's so shitty, man. It's the worst. But yeah, don't buy eBay angle adapters unless you're just gonna use them as a jig to cut and weld your knuckles, because that's what I'm gonna do now.
Yeah, there was a crash, and I'm really sad about it because I like that car a lot, but also like that's what happens when you come to the track sometimes, and we've been very lucky. So I'm not mad about it. It was totally unavoidable. You got all kinds of videos showing what happened, and just like, you know, it's crashed.
Definitely wasn't the way we wanted today to go. Yeah, like Samsquanch said, it happens sometimes, and we have been really lucky with cars in the past. We think we might be able to fix that car instead of reshelling it, which was our immediate thought. It's a bummer situation. I wish I could have done more, but like watching the footage back, there wasn't a lot of time for me to react. That being said, it was like, I don't know. I wish I could have drove better and like helped not total his car, but it is what it is, you know. We'll get it fixed up and back out here someday. Hopefully soon.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel like after seeing it, after I've had some time to think.
Yeah.
I hope I still think we can fix it. Hamilton, I don't know what to say, dude. You are the savior.
It's kind of my job, so.
Well, that's a cool job to have. Oh dear, it's so stuffed.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah. I think it's the aftermath.
Trying to straighten it as much as we can, and then replacing the tubs and the frame rail in front of it. So I don't know.
This thing can push back too far either.
I mean, all that stuff is easy because the whole thing comes off. You know, this is all a separate piece.
It's pretty sick.
Thank you, BMW.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Gentlemen, what's cracking?
Not that one. Jesus Christ, we're in the neighborhood.
I slipped.
We're in a neighborhood. What are you talking about, Corey?
Like, ooh!